Okay, morning student. So today I am again back with the next video. So regarding the online classes, I have some of the information for you. As everybody knows, the condition of our country is going on worse and worse day by day. So stay safe at your home. And we are conducting online classes. So I like to inform you that our examination. Okay, first terminal examination, if the condition goes in the same way, it will be held through the online classes, and the attendance of the students that is taken regularly. Okay, so I was telling about the information regarding the examination through the online classes. So uh, we'll conduct examination also through the online medium, and the attendance of student, those who are missing the classes, we are keeping the record. So try not to mix any of the classes, any of the video. Okay, watch all the video regularly, prepare your notes. If any question in the software, you can find question answer portal is there. You can ask to your respective teacher, or you can contact with them. And regarding any kind of information, you can call me or you can take help from me. So today we'll discuss on the next video, that is for the same topic, force and motion. We have completed the most of the things. Remaining essay lesson is there. So today I am planning to give you some of the exercise, as you don't have any kinds of book, so I have prepared some of the questions with the help of uh, some book available. So now the books are also not fixed, so there is no any chance of buying, but I have prepared some of the slides from the book, which I'll give you, and hope, I think you'll do all the exercise. So today I'll give you some of the objective. After understanding the chapter, you should also you should be able to give some of the questions on your own, what you understood. So for that, today I'll give you some of the question, objective type question, and try the answer. In the next video we'll discuss about those answer. Okay, so first question is there. I'll read the questions. I think you are sitting with your copy, and make a separate copy for every subject. Already I have informed you in the earlier video about that. So first question there is, what is the SI unit of force? The options are Newton, Dyne, kilogram and gram. What is the weight? The options are, it is the force experienced by a body, it is the force of gravity experienced by a body, it is the mass of a body, it is the volume of a body. And question number C there is, which of the following is a vector quantity? Whether that is mass, density, pressure or force. And D number, which of the following is a scalar quantity? Weight, displacement, acceleration or work. So this is the first question, that is, choose the best answer from the given alternatives. Next there is the fill in the blanks. That is, the shortest distance between any 2 points is called dash. You guess the answer, write down the answer. We will discuss about the answer in the coming video, next video. The unit of acceleration is dash in SI system. SI in measurement chapter we have discussed. Develop MKS system is called SI system. The rate of change in displacement is dash. The displacement covered by a body in one complete rotation in a circular path is dash. So hope, I think the words are clear. If you didn't get my audio with the help of video also, you can pause the video and copy the questions. Okay, so there are some of the more questions. That means in class 7 you have to do the numerical. Numerical means mathematical problem regarding the chapter. That means in the physics generally you will get numerical type questions. So there are some of the question. How much is the velocity? Question number 1, how much is the velocity of a body when it moves through 100 meter in 5 seconds? That is the first question, and after doing that you can compare the answer also. B number, find the distance covered by a car in a 10 second if it is moving at the speed of 20 meter per second. C number, a body changes its velocity from 10 meter per second to 30 meter per second in 4 seconds. Find the acceleration produced on a body. And D number, there is, what is the final velocity gained by a car moving with uniform velocity of 2 meter per second square after 10 seconds if its initial velocity is 20 meter per second. Okay, so today I have made video regarding your exercise only. Okay, so you do the exercise which I have given. First try the objective. You may be confused about the numericals. First try the objective. I have given these questions. Okay, why? Because there were only few questions. Objective, that is one, fill in the blanks and choose the correct alternative. So about this numerical, finding the velocity, question number A, distance B, you can uh, do on the basis of previous topic, that is speed and velocity, distance and displacement, scalar and vector quantity, already I have discussed. So C and D, regarding the acceleration, I'll discuss on the next topic. After that you do that. And these numericals, okay, these numericals I will solve in the next video, that means the day after tomorrow. So tomorrow we will discuss on acceleration. So hope students you are enjoying your online classes, okay, and you got the information. Again I'll repeat the information, that means continue the online classes, don't miss any of the day, that means any of the topic. Prepare your copies, prepare your notes, go on doing the exercise, okay, and understand all the topic. Why? Because if the condition goes in the same way, we'll continue the examination through online medium. So for that reason you should continue all the chapter. And for any information, if you are having any problem regarding the online classes, you can contact me. Okay student, so stay safe, stay at your home, keep your surrounding, your family member, okay, far. That means sitting at home is the best way preventing from the disease which is going on. Washing your hands, maintain personal cleanliness, maintain, okay, your surroundings should be clean, your family members should be clean, and stay at home. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, students, goodbye.